Hello everyone. So today we are going to implement a stack using an array in Python. We are using the Geeks4Geeks platform for this. It already provides the boilerplate for us to implement the code. We just have to complete the remaining bits. So we have to implement the push and the pop functions of the stack. So if the stack is empty, we have to return -1 from the pop method. So what we will do is, when we are trying to push an element to the stack, we will append it to the end of the array. So now the element that is added is the last element. And in a stack, as we all know, the element that is added last is removed first. So when we pop from the array, that is the stack, we will remove the last element. But before that, we have to check for a condition in the pop function. That is, if the length of the array is 0. So that means that the stack is empty. Then we have to return -1. Otherwise, what we do is we use the pop function of an array. So what it does is it gives us the last element. So that's how you implement a stack using an array in Python. Thank you guys for watching.